Hello friends, welcome to my PageCraft AI review. So, PageCraft AI is a browser-based tool that helps you create sales pages by combining copywriting and design together. You describe your product, pick a copywriting approach, and it generates a complete build instruction that you paste into ChatGPT or Claude, which then gives you back a finished HTML sales page. So there's no coding needed and no design skills needed. You get 38 different copywriting approaches to choose from, over 300 optional visual effects, and the page it creates is yours to keep and reuse for future launches. It also comes with a bonus app called Funnel Pages AI that builds your thank you page, delivery page, and bridge page using the same method. Everything runs locally in your browser. Nothing gets uploaded anywhere. It's a one-time payment, no subscription, and there's a 7-day money-back guarantee. Link is right below in the description. Go check it out. So now let's go ahead and watch the official demo video of PageCraft AI.
Okay, so here is the newest addition to the PageCraft. I call this something broad like Funnel Pages AI. It's a thank you page, delivery page, and bridge pages built in minutes, right? So you see here, what page do you want to build? Let's begin, for example, with the thank you, and the thank you is the page they land on after they sign up or buy something from you. Confirm it, tell them what to do next, and point them at the next step. Delivery page, where buyers get what they paid for. A big thank you, clear instructions, and every download link and video in one clean place. A bridge is a pre-sale page, the warm-up page between your ad, email, or link and offer. Tell them why it matters, then send them to buy with one button, no form needed. The bridge page is mostly used by affiliates because they use the bridge page to tell why the product they're promoting is worth buying. They give the features of it, they praise it, and then they tell about the bonuses they have for it. Then they give you the button to go to the sales page of that product and buy it, right? So my Funnel Pages AI is really very simple and easy, and as you see, it's simple, right? Let's begin with the first one, which is the thank you page. You simply click here and you have some very few inputs to fill. Let me start with just as an example and a demonstration. Let's load an example to see how it fills in, but you can use any kind of products you have, right? Here's an example. They just downloaded my free Etsy checklist and I want to confirm it and get them to check their inboxes, right? This is a thank you page. So let's load that. This is, they just downloaded my free Etsy checklist, etc. A headline, if you leave it blank, AI will write it for you. The same for subheadline, and what to do next. Next page, one per line. So this is something you can keep as this, or you can change it if you'd like to, right? For example, this one here, check your inbox for the download link. So the download link is sent via email. Confirm your email. Add me to your contacts, so my email. And let's type something else. Send me an email presenting yourself. Just something like this. The main button says join the free Etsy seller group, and the main button link, let's give it something for testing. Say it's google.com, right? The second button text, let's say it's check my autos, and by autos I mean one-time offer, right? It's the upgrades and upsells, something like that, right? My computer lags. Yeah, I'm running really like 50 over 50 tabs on my Chrome on another window. Let me pause until it comes back. Oh, I think it's working now. Amazing. All right. So the video link, let's give it some dummy one again. And for the image link, let me take my, no, not this one. Let's put it, give it, what do we say? All right. Let me see if I can find my sales page. Yes, here it is. Let's pick this image here. Let's put it as an image here. Social or follow links, one per line. Okay. No, it's okay. You can add your links if you'd like to. The footer, it's also changeable and editable. The page options, open the buttons and links in a new tab, keeps your page open, or the same tab. I'd love to open it in a new tab. Pin the main button to the bottom on phones. On mobiles, keep the main button stuck to the bottom of the screen, so it is always one tap away as you scroll. I love this option, and let's see if it works. Show a back to top button, alright, and countdown timer to a deadline if you'd like to add a deadline. Simply click design, choose one of the designs here. All of them, they are great. Let's simply click any one of them. Let's click this worm and a human, and here you have some boldness, clean, subtle, balance, bold, and zoom. They like this one. Use brand colors if you have them, and choose the fonts if you'd like to. I like Poppins. So next, and this is it. You have one button. It's already copied to your clipboard. Click ChatGPT. It opens up, and simply paste the prompt here. Okay, and let's wait for this to finish, and it may take up to 5 or 6 minutes sometimes. ChatGPT is quicker than Claude, so it may take like 4 minutes or 5. Alright, let me pause until this finishes. Alright, here we are. It took around 3 minutes or less, so let's copy this, go back to the app, paste, and that's it. Click the button, you have your page here. Let's click open, and you will see that our page is finished. It says your request was received, your Etsy checklist is on its way, check your inbox. This is the button, join the free, it takes to Google. And there's another one here, check my autos, I send it to Google. You have the image, it's put into a blur, so this is nice. Keep this page open while you check your inbox. And 4 quick steps, then you are ready. You have check your inbox, confirm, add me to your contact, and send me a short introduction. This is the one that I added. Come meet other Etsy sellers. This is a video. Yeah, open the video in a new tab if you'd like to. It opens in Google because I gave it to Google, and that's it. You have check my autos again. This is a really amazing and quick one. So this is the other features that was added. When you click the arrow here, the page scrolls up back. Let's see if in yeah, like this. Let's see if I will get, yeah, amazing. You see, this is the button here, join the free Etsy sellers group. In a mobile phone, the button stays sticky at the bottom, right? And this is for quick tap and quick access, right? So this is our first page. You simply go back to home, the delivery page, do the same, simply enter everything here, design, choose one here, choose the fonts again, copy, and yeah, the prompt is already copied. Let's open another ChatGPT chat, or if you'd like to, you can simply paste it in the same chat as the other one, right? Actually, let's do it. Let's paste it here. Okay, and send it. Let me pause again for another 2 or 3 minutes and I will come back to you when it's finished. Well, that was quicker than I thought. It's only 2 minutes and it's finished. Let's copy this again, go back into the app, paste, and click the button. We have our new page already here. It's a delivery page. Thank you for buying the HC Fast Start bundle. Your bundle is ready here. You have how to access your purchase, instructions, and you have the buttons here, right? Quick start guide, the 50 bestseller templates. You have a watch video if you'd like to offer them a tutorial, and a support email here. So this is our delivery page. It's small and short. Let's go back to pages and now let's see the bridge. Right, so we have here the same things. They are filled for you for this dummy demo, right? And you have the buttons. You have another button here. You have a video link. You have an image. I already put my image here, and an FAQ one per line. You have a footer. You have again this, and you have a deadline if you'd like to. Let's choose now the new brutalist and let's click next, and ChatGPT, this time let us see if it can create the same a nice page even in a new chat window. So we have our prompt here. Let's send the prompt and let's pause again for, I hope it's 2 minutes, right? Alright, this one took around 3 minutes. We are here. Let's click the button, go back into the app, paste, and save this page. We have our page here. It says for beginners, SEO sellers, the one free tool that finally got my listing found in search. This is the page that I give it. I'm sorry, the image. Search check. If your listings are live but are etc., you have the button here. You have another button here. You have a nice button there. You have one. I spent months guessing at title and tags. You have another one. You have a video or something. Yeah, quick watch. This is a video. Before you click, is it free? Yes, you can begin today at no cost. You have cost. I'm sorry. Stop guessing and give your listings a clearer chains to be found, and that's it. And you have the button here. Let's see if in a mobile device this will have the same. Yeah, exactly. You see there is a button here that is stick to the header, and if you click again this arrow here, it jumps you back. This is amazing and I love this so much. So this is our new app. Thank you very much for watching.